a 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera. Just come in for a Ghost 2. So on this car, if I was to first off try to start the engine, and if I go to drive or reverse, it will stall the vehicle, so you get nothing comes up. And now if I restart the engine, and what we're going to do is I'm going to enter the current existing password for the vehicle, which is this driver's window 4 times. I'll get my flashes for my indication, and then once I've done that, I can now drive the vehicle. As you can see, and everything will be here. Obviously on these vehicles you do get slight faults, but they clear as you start driving on the road. And that's pretty much it.